You know, the whole notation of naming electrodes or terminals as cathode or anode is a little bit confusing, okay? Because in physics, even in physics, or it is in chemistry, depending on whether it is a voltaic cell or it is an electrolytic cell, the sign of the plus minus signs of these electrodes, which we call cathode or anode, changes. So if someone tells you that cathode is always negative and anode is always positive, that is not correct. That is a very simple way, actually, a simple principle that I have found out, which I am going to share. Now, it's very simple. Just understand that any DC, direct current electrical device, basically can be labeled either as a supplier or a consumer. Either it is a supplier of what? Supplier or consumer of what? Of electrical energy. Okay. So either it is a supplier or it is a consumer of electrical energy. Now, it's a very quick video. That's why I'm not actually giving much effort to the setup and the quality of the video. It's a little bit shaky, but it's a very quick and quick efficient concept that I'm going to share with you. So now all you have to focus is that supplier. If it is a supplier of electric energy, then of course it will have two terminals. Mostly all that if it is an electric cell, a voltaic cell, that is supplier of energy. Essentially all sorts of batteries are can be shown by this schematic diagram, in which this is an electrolyte that contains positive and negative X plus and Y minus ions dissolved in some sort of solvent, and these are the two electrodes. Let's say that this is the positive electrode and this is the negative electrode. Okay, so we are talking about direct current. Now, if it is a positive electrode, that means the current, it is going to supply current to the external circuit or the consumer circuit. Now, if it is the negative electrode, it is going to absorb electrical energy from the consumer, and not absorb electrical energy, it will absorb the electrical current, conventional current, from the external circuit or the consumer circuit. Okay. Now there is a very simple mnemonic here that is called CCD, not cafe coffee day. It is cathode current departs. It's called cathode current departs. Okay, it's a cathode current depart. That means for a supplier device, okay, whatever terminal the current departs from this device is called the cathode. That means from the positive terminal the current is departing. If the current I departs from this terminal, this is called cathode, and that also means that this negative terminal, this is positive and this is negative terminal absorbs the electric current. Okay, so here the current arrives, so that is called anode. Okay, for supplier, CCD rule, the rule of CCD applies. So always remember supplier CCD. Okay, that means if it is supplying device, energy supplying device, that means the terminal in which at which the current departs from the device is called the cathode. Okay, now there is another thing, that whenever you are coupling this supplier with a consumer circuit, what happens is, if it is a cathode and this is an anode, okay, so if this is a makes a what do you call the supplier, then when you couple it with any consumer circuit, okay, if it is a consumer circuit, that means it is driven by this source of electrical current or energy, then it would also have two terminals. So this terminal would be connected with cathode and this terminal would be connected with anode. In that case, you will name in reverse. That means cathode is connected with anode and anode is connected with cathode. That is very simple. And this rule would help you identify the cathode and anode of any circuit that you are given. Okay, so if it is a supplier, then the current departs, I current departs from the cathode. CCD, current cathode current departs. Anode means current I arrives. Definitely, conservation of energy principle says that, or the conservation of charge says that if I amount of current is, or Q amount of electrical charge leaves in some time interval delta t, and the same amount of charge in the same amount of time interval has to enter into the supplier, because supplier always remains electrically neutral as a whole. Okay, so it's a very simple concept. So if it is supplier, then as per the CCD, or the cathode current departs, the positive terminal from where the current departs is the cathode, and the negative terminal where the current enters is anode. Why is it a conventional current? Is because actually the positive charge doesn't flow, it is only the electrons which actually move in the opposite direction. Okay, here the electrons would be leaving. Okay, that's the direction of electrons, but we don't have to concern ourselves with the electrons. Just move with the notion of conventional current. So whatever terminal the conventional current departs from a supplier source is called cathode. Whatever terminal the conventional current enters the supplier is called anode. So when you couple that supplier with any of the consuming circuit, or any of the consuming part of the circuit, then you will be needing two terminals, one for the cathode, one for the anode. Now the consuming terminal would be anode if it is coupled with cathode. The consuming terminal is cathode if it is coupled with anode. So this is like this. You will always remember this. Like every cathode must have only anode nearby. So you can't connect a cathode with a cathode. So this cathode is connected to an anode inside the supply circuit, and this cathode is connected with an anode of the consumer circuit. Similarly, the anode of the supply circuit is connected with the cathode of the supply circuit itself, but then this anode is also connected with the cathode of the consumer circuit. Okay, so now the concept is very simple. So always remember to classify the device, whether it's a supplier or it's a consumer. If it's a supplier, then you apply CCD and then find out which is the cathode where the conventional current departs. Now if it is a cathode, only an anode of the consuming circuit would be connected with it, and vice versa. That's it.